Hello and welcome back to another retro unboxing. This month we're travelling back to 1992, the year this Supermarine Spitfire VB kit was released. This kit is 1/48 scale with just 53 parts. Now let's open up this box. The first thing you'll notice is the colour of the sprues. They're essentially white. I've never seen a sprue this colour in our retro unboxing series before. Parts in this kit are in a really great condition, and I have to imagine putting this together would be very fun to do. Well, what do you think? In the next episode of Retro Unboxing, should I have a go at putting together this actual kit? Let me know in the comments below. Illustrating the strength and adaptability of its basic design, the Supermarine Spitfire saw constant development throughout the Second World War, with over 20,000 aircraft eventually being produced in 24 different marks. The Mark V variant was actually something of a stopgap upgrade from the aircraft which fought during the Battle of Britain, but with 6,487 produced, it proved to be the most heavily produced mark of Spitfire. There's two scheme options in this kit. Version 1 is UK 602 Squadron, the city of Glasgow. The second is a tropical scheme, displaying 92 Squadron from the Western Desert in the years 1942 to 43. Well, that was the 48th scale Supermarine Spitfire VB from 1992. What kit should we unbox next? Please let me know in the comments below, and whilst you're down there, why not like and subscribe? We'll see you next time.